All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Last week we were here, we made that tailgate for the OBS Ford. So I thought since we have a tailgate, it'd be cool to make a pair of door sills to match that. All we have to do next is find the center of it and then mimic these mounting holes that the original truck came with. That way when we finish these, it'll mount in the exact same spot of this. Right there. On that exact punch mark, and we're done with this. All right, the plan is I cut out this little piece of wood out of a shape I really like, and this is the same angle that would match the tailgate. So that's kind of the whole point, is to have a pair of door sills that matches the tailgate and something that looks like it could have been there with the truck from the factory. Just want to grab this and bend it, go 90 degrees. And what happens with stainless is stainless likes to spring. It likes to spring back. So you got to go like 93 degrees. You see, when you let go of it, it comes back. So you have to go just a little bit over 90 for it to come back to 90. So gotta trick it sometimes, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna guide this piece of wood directly along the edge of this die, and this is gonna keep me, I'm gonna use my body weight to keep this up against this tool as it's moving up and down, and that'll capture the detail, because if I didn't have this, this would be all over the place. It'd be too hard to control with the vibration of the machine. So you just guide this in like that. You have to kind of watch for it, and when it gets to a certain point, turn it. And see, I'm pulling up against it, and I'm using my hand to kind of absorb the vibration, and the wood absorbs a fair amount of the vibration as well, guiding it all the way to the end. We're almost there. Cool. Awesome. You can see that's part number one. And this is, the white stuff is just a protective film on this. We're gonna take this film off, that way there's no tooling marks at the end. So we'll have a nice clean piece of sheet metal. It'll look like we never did anything to it by the time we're all done. Do side number two real quick, and then we'll move on to the passenger side. We'll knock that one out real quick. And that pivot. Hit it. Awesome. So let's go fold these suckers up. Make sure you get the stuff with this liner on it, because it's going to save you like hours and hours and hours of sanding and all that stuff you have to do to make it clean. All right, so just peel that sucker off of there. All we have left to do is locate these flags and put this on here. And these are mirrored. So see, so like when you go to the passenger side, you want these to where these stars right here are always facing forward. Like you want this thing going forward, because that signifies progress. You wouldn't want this going backwards. So you got to make sure you have them on the right side. So on the passenger side, it's got to be that one. On the driver's side, that one. That way the stars are both going forward. 13, 13 right there. And then you could get rid of these Sharpie marks once you put this on. Alright, so the way you just take these old ones out and remove your stock plastic piece like that. You take the old one off. You just put your new one on and reuse the stock screws. I just want to say thanks a lot for watching these videos. I hope you guys enjoy these products and the content we're putting out. If you'd like to buy some of these, they're available at www.diesels-unlimited.com. These are available as well as the tailgates, along with the line of parts that we make for the 6-liter trucks. We're a new company and we're doing things the way they haven't done before. We're coming out with a lot of new products. There's a lot more that we're engineering in-house that hasn't been seen before. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, you should definitely subscribe and follow us on Instagram at dieselsunlimited.official. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys next time.